Those three fragrances, they have been getting some form of hype. Some have been hyped more than the others, but all three of them were hyped up. Question though, is the hype worth it?
Hey guys, what's up, wagwan me peeps, wagwan me peoples. Alain here again with a brand new edition of White Boys Fragrance Corner. And today, I will be unboxing three fragrances that have been getting their fair share of hype. So we'll see if the hype is real. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. And as you guys can see, I've kinda changed up my setting. I'm still, trying with the lights and everything, and I put up some new shelves to give myself some more space, and I'm still setting up everything for you guys. So if you see any empty spaces, bear with me. They will be filled very soon. But yeah, let me know what you think about this background. And as mentioned, three fragrances. They were on some form of hype train. Some still are. And I finally got my hands on three of them. Rochas, Moustache. Rochas, Moustache, EDP, Boss Bottled Intense Eau de Parfum, and Bvlgari Aqua Atlantique. So let's see if the hype is real. Alright, starting off with Bvlgari Aqua Atlantique. Now, Aqua Amara has been hyped up very much, and I did manage to get that. And to me, it isn't hype worthy. But that is just my opinion. Some people swear by it, some people love it. But to me, it's not worth the hype. So let's see what Atlantique is all about. This is what the packaging is like. And this is a 50 ml. I didn't bother to try and get the 100 ml because this was actually on sale, and I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and buy it. So here you have it. Nothing special. We all know how the Bvlgari Aqua line is. Let's see what the atomizer is like. The atomizer is actually pretty good. So now this I like. Definitely a fresh aquatic fragrance, but this doesn't come across as sea salty as the original or Amara. And in the background, it has just a tiny bit of an Aventus vibe. Yeah, it has a tiny Aventus vibe to it. I actually need to look at the notes to see why, but yeah, I like this, and I can see why people have been running with this. Yeah, not bad at all. So the next one is Hugo Boss Bottled Intense Eau de Parfum. As far as I know, this fragrance is being discontinued, and I managed to actually pick it up before it got expensive. And if you're interested in this, I would suggest you to go ahead and pick it up now as well, because as soon as this gets scarce, the prices are going to skyrocket. Reviewers hyping it up is going to make that situation even worse. So yeah, so it's a standard Boss bottled box. So let's see if the hype is worth it. Standard Hugo Boss bottled bottle, and the cap fits into place. So what the atomizer is good. So let's see what this is all about. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Yeah. This is actually the original one, so this is a sweeter and better fragrance, if you ask me. Yeah, definitely. Now I know that the other parfum came out last year. I don't have a bottle of that. I was trying to get a sample to do a comparison because this is a other parfum concentration as well, but I managed to spray it on this hand. And it is a different scent profile. Yeah, I like this. I definitely can see why people have been hyping it up. And I am glad that I bought this before the prices went up. Buy it now, because I can guarantee you the prices are going up with this. I like it. I actually like it. Yeah, it is to me, it is superior than Hugo Boss bottled EDT. Now moving on with the one that I have been anticipating the most. I've been wanting this fragrance from last year when it started to make its rounds on YouTube and being hyped up by everyone. I found it. It is a 75 ml, but the price difference between the 75 ml and 125 ml, it was significant, and I said, look, listen, I have so many fragrances already, 75 ml, that's good enough. So here you have it. For those of you that don't know, the original actually came out in 1949, was it? The EDT. And I think this is a 2018 release or 2019. I think this was a 2019 release or 18. I leave it below. So this gets compared to Yves Saint Laurent Tuxedo, which I absolutely love. So this is what the bottle looks like. It's an elegant bottle. And cap fits into place. Let's see what the sprayer is all about. Very good sprayer. And I'm just gonna spray this on hand, on skin. Based on first impressions, it comes across a bit woody, citrusy and woody. Now this is a sample of Tuxedo, which I want to get myself a bottle. Come to think of it, wife. Yes, let me talk to the wife real quick. Wifey, I know you're going to be watching this. Valentine's Day is coming up, and guess what? 2 days after Valentine's Day is my birthday. So you can't just buy one gift to cover both occasions. YSL Tuxedo. No, I don't get the comparison. To be honest with you, the Tuxedo is much more of a creamier, richer scent. And Moustache comes across woodier. Don't get me wrong, it is a good fragrance. Does it deserve the hype? It is a good fragrance, but nah, it has been hyped up a bit too much. And personally, I mean, I like the scent profile, don't get me wrong, it does smell good, but not hype worthy. And I don't see why people say that they get a Tuxedo vibe from it. Because I'm not getting it. But nevertheless, I'll give this some wear. It is not a bad fragrance, especially if you can pick it up for the price that I've picked it up. But yeah, to me, doesn't smell anything like Tuxedo whatsoever. Yeah, so there you have it, guys. 3 fragrances. Are they hype worthy? Boss Bottle Intense, definitely pick it up if you can. Perfect for the fall, but I'll be rocking this in winter and spring. Moustache. I'm sorry guys, I'm having trouble. Man fi smell good. Stay safe, stay blessed peeps. White boy is out.